Okay. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
So, for maths term and exam, we have the application of integrals.
Application integrations are there.
Yes, sir.
When you have term and exams,
Sir, first exam, sir, 12th October.
12th October. Okay, that time most probably will complete. Okay, the application integrations also. Application of integrations is easy only. In this chapter, if you understand clearly the different integrants, then application of integrations are very easy. There just we are finding the only the areas and perimeters. Okay, previous we are taking the area of the ellipse, area of circle. Now we have to find the bounded area. They'll give the line curve, they'll give the circle and line, and circle and ellipse, or circle and parabola. So that kind of thing is given means then we have to find the area of the bounded region. That's all. By using integrations. Okay. Yes. Right now, I think last class, I think one or two questions we done based on the quadratic equations. Is correct?
Yes, sir. Completing square method.
Uh, a complete in square method we done. Right now, integration of integration of 1 by x square minus 6x plus 13 into dx into dx. This is the problem now. How to solve this? Here is the same thing only. Very easy. The quadratic equation here now we are converted into either x square minus a square or a square minus x square we have to write. But anyhow clearly we'll get now x square minus a square only we will get. So first you can take separately x square minus 6x plus 3 you can take. Okay. The coordinate is the x term is negative means coordinate a minus b whole square. So x square minus 2ab. 2 into x into clearly the value of b equal to we are taking 3 means 2 3 are 6 we are getting. Plus 3 square. But anyhow minus the okay. This is not there you can take minus here now. Plus 13. Plus 13 here. So from here to here a minus b whole square. A equal to x and b equal to 3. So x minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 13. So this one you can write now x minus 3 whole square plus 4 equal to x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. That means in place of that x square minus 6x plus 13, we have to substitute there now x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. So therefore, integration of 1 by x square minus 6x plus 13 into dx is equal to integration of 1 by x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square into dx. Tell me the formula now. But purely here we are not getting purely x square, it is something it is. We got x minus 3. Already I told very clearly. So immediately can take here now substitution. So put x minus 3 equal to t. So this is the 1 equal to dt by dx. Then dx equal to dt. Dx equal to dt. All I can substitute in there. Therefore, integration of 1 by x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square into dx is equal to, you can write now integration of 1 by t square plus 2 square into dt. It is in the form of x square plus a square. So what is the formula? Integration of 1 by x square plus a square.
1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus
So 1 by a equal to how much here now? 1 by 2 now?
2.
1 by 2 into tan
Yes, sir.
inverse of x by a means you can write now t by 2. T by 2 plus c. So 1 by 2 into tan inverse of the value of t equal to, we are taking the substitution x minus 3. So x minus 3 by 2 plus c is the answer for that. Okay. Very easy, simple questions only. If you know the completing square method and the formula, then we will do easily that. Okay. Next, 16th one, integration of 1 by 3x square plus 13x minus 10. Tomorrow test we have. I remember the last week only I told
Which chapter, sir?
continuity and differentiability first 3 exercises. First 2, not 3, first 2 exercises. Okay.
Sir, same timing?
Same timings by 7 o'clock. Okay.
What, sir?
Continuity and differentiability test
When, sir?
tomorrow by 7 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That same 25 marks on test only I will give you. I will fix the time in the Google class. That means within the time compulsory we have to upload your paper also. 7 to 7:45 test. That 15 minutes for uploading paper. Okay. By 8 o'clock we have to complete the test. Then 8 to 8:30 discussion.
Sir,
about it.
but exactly 7 o'clock will not start, no, sir.
Tomorrow, then you will get exactly at 7 o'clock only it will start. I will give the schedule. Last class I didn't give the any schedule, but now tomorrow class I will give the schedule. But before 7 also, you won't get question paper also. Okay, exactly by 7 o'clock only it will be open, the question paper. Suppose you start the class by 7:50. Okay, 7:05 means you can write up to 7:50, but 10 minutes enough for it. Uploading paper is correct. 10 minutes enough. Then how much time it will take the snap and just convert it into PDF that?
So sometimes the app lags.
Okay, so I will give the time up to 8:05. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Integration of 1 by 3x square plus 13x minus 10 into dx. That means, you know, parallelly we have to complete the revision as well as our syllabus also. Then only we'll get more clarity about that. Simply just we are doing that each and every chapter and we are going, means it's no use. Between them just we have to recall that. Once we recall means then we will remember easily. At a time, suppose after completing all the chapters, then we are coming to our revision means no use. Maybe some students will remember, some students we can't remember that. Okay. So from so every week we have test is there. Every week 45 minutes we have to write compulsory. So after completing the first book, all the chapters separately, then I'll give the one day, maybe on Saturday or Sunday, I'll give the one full test, like term one examination, I'll give the test. All the chapters.
So when, sir?
That is before October. That means before Dasara vacations I will give you.
Sir,
Okay.
I have an October, sir, first
In
12th.
October only, yes, in school you can write the test. After school examinations, I'll give the test here. Okay. So before that, we'll complete every week. We will take the 2 exercises, 3 exercises for in each and every chapter. Such first we'll complete the continuity, differentiability, and application of derivatives. Maybe we'll complete within 4 weeks. Within 4 weeks means we're going to the, already this is the September 2nd week now. Is correct? It means up to October 2nd week. Later, because the first chapter, you know, already inverse trigonometry we done that. Maths and determinants also very easy. I think you know very well that. I think that is no need to give any test. So all the 6 chapters together, I'll give the one small test to you. Not a small test for 100 marks. I'll give the test. But compulsory we have to, that is for 100 marks only. I'll either 3 hours time. The 3 hours also just maybe we will take maybe Saturday, weekdays, Saturday or Sunday, one day. Okay. Then only we'll get clarity. That means if you're getting or not, it is the maybe that one. Suppose you're doing any mistakes, then we will rectify immediately. Then the final board examination, you can't any mistakes. Then easily will score the good marks. So we are taking the test or something, whatever it maybe it is, because of you only. That's all. Only for you. Because tomorrow just you are getting the good result means then we also get some. I think you know very well. It's correct. Okay. That's what we want. That's all. Other than that, nothing. Solve this one now. Integration of 1 by 3x square plus 13x minus 10 into dx. Here also same thing only. So first you can take here now quadratic equation 3x square plus 13x minus 10. Apply complete in the square method. So this the extra means the positive means clearly we have to count into a plus b whole square. But here now if you take any a plus b whole square, but here 3 is there. So then what we have to do means this entire equation first you can divide by 3. This entire equation divide by 3.
So,
Or else root 3 whole square you can take. Or else
yes.
you can take here now root 3 whole square. Both are same thing only. Okay. But no need to get any confusion here. Suppose if taken root 3 means then what we're getting root 3x whole square plus this is 2ab. 2 into this is the root 3x into, but here actually we required now 13x we required. But how to get 13x here now? It is the clearly you have to write now 1 by this is the 26. Sorry.
So 13 by 2 root 3.
13 by 3.
2 root 3.
2 root 2, 3. These two will be cancelled and these two also cancelled. This is the value of b it is. Plus 13 by 2 root 3 whole square minus 13 by 2 root 3 whole square minus 10. Minus 10. So if taken from here to here, we are saying that one a plus b whole square. Here the value of a equal to root 3x. The value of b equal to 13 by 2 root 3 whole square. Minus, this one clearly can write now 169 by 4 into 3 minus 10 it is. Minus 10. So root 3x plus 13 by 2 root 3 whole square minus if you take in 12 is the LCM here now. So 169 minus 120. Okay. So root 3x plus 13 by 2 root 3 whole square minus. So 169 minus 120 equal to clearly will get 49 by 12. 49 by 12 it is. Now compulsory we have to write in the form of x square minus a square. So that first term we can write as it is only, but second term we have to change again. So root 3x plus 13 by 2 root 3 whole square minus this one you can write now 7 by root 12 whole square. 7 by root 12 whole square. Now you can find it. So therefore integration of 1 by 3x square plus 13x minus 10 into dx is equal to, you can write clearly, integration of 1 by root 3x plus 13 by 2 into root 3 whole square minus 7 by root 12 whole square. 7 by root 12 whole square into dx. Now if you take compulsory, it is the, we are not getting purely x it is, so we have to take the substitution here now. So put root 3x plus 13 by 2 root 3 equal to t you can take. Differentiate. So root 3 equal to, this anyhow 0 only. So dt by dx, that implies the value of dx equal to dt by root 3. dt by root 3. Now all you can substitute in there now. So therefore, integration of 1 by this value equal to, clearly you can take here now, t square minus the 7 by root of 12 whole square into dt by root 3. dt by root 3. So 1 by root 3 you can take outside. Integration of 1 by t square minus 7 by root of 12 whole square. Root 12 whole square. Now it is in the form of integration of 1 by t x square minus a square. So what is the formula we have? Integration of 1 by x square minus a square. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square. What is the formula? Tell me anyone. Because just between them
1 by 2a
1 by 2a into log modulus of
log x
Ah.
minus a by log x
here.
plus
What is
plus
the a
b.
value? What is the
7
a
by
value?
root
7 by root 12. 2a means you can write now 2 into 7 by root 12 into log modulus
So-
of
So can you explain me that left side second last step?
here
Left side second last step.
this one.
169 minus 120. Yes, sir. You took minus common, then it should be plus in between, right?
If taken minus common, yes, it will be correct only, no? But here we can't take the bracket here now. Is correct?
Yes, sir. So it should not be 49.
Yes, we can't take the bracket there. That means it will be compulsory. This also will get now negative value. Correct? Because it's the minus of. So if taken plus means, if we taken the bracket means you'll get positive. Means 289.
Yes, sir. Minus 289 by
289.
12.
289 means 17 square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
17 square. In place of 7 will get 17. 17 square. 17 square. Here also 17 square. It's fine now. This is the 17 by root 12.
Yes, sir.
Fine. 17 by root 12. Log modulus of. Then what is the formula? Log modulus of x minus or x plus.
X minus
What is x value? So t minus
c
17 by root of 12 whole by t plus 17 by root of 12 plus c. Root of 12 plus c. Now this one you can multiply. 2 7 is 34. We are taking the reciprocal means, then what we are getting? Root 12 by 34. I'm writing here now. It is the root of 12 by 34 into log modulus of. Take LCM. Root to 12 is the LCM here now. So we'll get now it is the root of 12 into t minus 17. Just you can simplify all of that one. Whole by. Here also root to 12 t plus 17 plus c. Am correct? Because you're taken that root 12 is the LCM, is the 2 will be cancelled. And the root 12 also you can write now. It is 4 3 are 12. You can write 2 root 3 also you can write. 2 root 3 by 34 into log modulus of. This is clearly you can write now. Either you can take root 12 or else you can write 2 root 3. 2 root 3 t. And the value of t equal to? The value of t equal to how much? Root 3x plus 13 by 2 root 3. This place is not sufficient. I'll draw the first line here. Log modulus of t minus the value of t equal to, and here we got now root 12. So root 12 into root 12 in the means it is the 3 root 3 only. Okay, 2 into root 3 into root of 3x plus 13 by 2 root 3 minus 12 whole by. Here also 2 root 3 into root 3x plus 13 by 2 root 3 plus 17 plus c. Now you can simplify this one. 2 in this number, 17 times. So this is the root 3 by 17 into log modulus of. You're multiplying these two values, root 3 into root 3 equal to 3 only, and 2 3s are 6. This is the 6x plus. Anyhow, these two will be cancelled. Plus 13 whole by. Here also 6x. Sorry, this is the minus, is correct only. Minus 17. Minus 17 whole by. Here also 6x plus 13 plus 17 plus c. Is correct? So root 3 by 17 into log modulus of 6x minus 4 whole by 6x plus 30 plus c. As for that, if you want, you can take 2 LCM also, you can 2 common also you can take. Suppose if taken 2 common, then what we are getting? 3x minus 2 by 3x plus 15. That also if you want, you can write.
Sir, you forgot to write 1 by root 3.
So 1 by root 3, sir. The one which was outside.
Constant value, na?
Yes, sir.
It's constant. Okay, we are taking
Yes, sir.
directly. Here you can write now. 1 by root 3 into. Correct? Here
So
also
it will be 1 by 17 log, sir.
1 by 17. 1 by root 3. Here also 1 by root 3 means then what we are getting here now? Root 3 into root 3 will be cancelled. Correct? So it will be 1. It will be 1. Fine? If you want, here also you can take 2 common also you can take. 2 will be cancelled. So 1 by 17 into log modulus of 3x minus 2 by 3x plus 15 plus c. This kind of question will ask for 5 marks only directly.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, which formula are we using here? Integration of
Integration of. Tell me. Integration of. Chirag. You're asking something now.
sir, I'm having network. Sir, I'm having.
Again it went. Okay. Next you can write now. This is you can try yourself. I am not doing this question, 17th question, because this model already we done previous. Square root of 5x square minus 2x. 5x square minus 2x into dx. This is you can try later. It's very easy one. Then we will do this question now. Integration of 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx.
So, sir, should we simplify so much? Like we can't just substitute t value and leave it?
Without substituting t value, we can't take because the
No,
problem
sir.
is
After log,
here.
when we just substitute t value.
Here.
Yeah. After that, we can leave it.
No. We have to simplify.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Compulsory we have to simplify this, but don't leave.
Okay, sir.
Because the simplification also very easy one. Just we are multiplying. Anyhow, this will be cancelled. Root 3 into root 3. 2 3s are 6x plus.
No,
Okay.
sir, when it's complex then.
Sometimes we'll get, but we have to multiply. We have to simplify that.
Okay, sir.
We can simplify and let last. Suppose here it's not possible, you can leave. The 17th one you can try later. First, all of you can start doing the 18th question. You can start 18th question. 17th question, when you're free at the time, you can solve. Very easy only. I think we got 3x plus 2 whole square plus 3 square you will get. Am I correct? 9x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to this one, 3x plus 2 whole square plus 3 square. Later you got this one, just you can take again same substitution and everything will be same. Then you can apply the formula. Is it correct? Then what are we taking here now? This is the 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x. Oh, sorry. This is the 1 only. Because 2 this already we got directly. So into 1 we have to take. Plus 1 square minus 1 square plus 5 square. Plus 5 square. Oh, minus 1 plus 5, 25 equal to 24. Sorry, the 5 means plus 4 it is. So 3x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Plus 2 square. This is the answer. Then you can take integration of 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx is equal to, you can write directly integration of 1 by 3x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square into dx. Again take substitution. Put 3x plus 1 equal to t. So 3 equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. That implies the value of dx equal to dt by 3. dt by 3. All I can substitute in there. Integration of 1 by x square plus t square. 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Anyone got the answer? Anyone? Almost the problem is done. 1 by 3 we will take outside the value of 2. So 1 by 2 into directly we are getting. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 2
Sir, is it
into
1 by 6 log 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c?
not log. How to get the log here? No, tan inverse only, na?
Oh, sorry, sir.
1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. So x equal to, then what will 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c
Yes, sir.
plus c.
Got this.
This the we can write now 1 by 6 into tan inverse of modulus of 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. Ask for that. Okay. It's enough for the still required. We will do one model, one question. We will do that. Later, just we are going to the. Okay, one more method is there here only. Previous, I give the concept to you. Suppose the given fraction. Suppose we got the improper fraction. Improper. Then what we have to do that? That kind of questions also we have. We'll list that also. If anyone completed means he can solve this question. Integration of 1 by hello ma'am. Sanskrit. Okay, I'll give you. If you don't complete right now, integration of 1 by root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. 6x minus x square.
Sir, what is the question, sir?
Integration of 1 by root of 7 minus 6x minus x square into dx. Okay. Then how to solve this? How to solve this? Very easy, simple question only.
So we can solve it in the same way, right?
No, same
Yes.
way, same
Okay.
way. But what we have to do means just only these two are the negative terms only, na? Just to get
Minus
the
common.
7 minus, yes, that's all. Equal to 7 minus of 6x plus x square you can write. Then this one convert into a plus b whole square because it's the positive value. So 7 minus of this is you can write x square plus 2 into x into the value of b equal to clearly 3. So plus 3 square minus 3 square. That's all. So 7 minus of this is x plus 3 whole square. X plus 3 whole square minus 9. You multiply this 7 into 7 minus of x plus 3 whole square minus into minus equal to you can write plus 9 and sum of these two values is equal to 16. 16 minus of x plus 3 whole square. So this one you can write now 4 square minus of x plus 3 whole square. Now this one you can substitute in place of this. Correct. In same procedure. Integration of 1 by square root of 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square into dx. Take it, same, put x plus 3 equal to t. So dt equal to dx. You can substitute in there now. So therefore, integration of 1 by square root of 4 square minus x plus 3. That means you can write now t square into dt is equal to, then a square minus x square. Okay, so write the formula, you can find it. It's enough. Sin inverse of x by a na? Sin inverse of x by a. So the sin inverse of x equal to t by 4 plus c. So you can write now sin inverse of the value of x equal t equal to x plus 3 by 4 plus c. Answer. So like this, I'll give a few problems to you. You can try later. Okay, you can try later. Then we're going to the next concept. Because same models, we are doing the 100 questions also, you'll get the same thing only. Or 2 to 3 questions I'll give you, you can try yourself that. Integration of 1 by square root of 8 plus 3x minus x square into dx. Next, 21. Integration of 1 by square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into dx. How to solve this? First multiply. First multiply and you can apply the completing square method and follow the method. Same thing only. Okay? No difference at all. Try it because the same models.
Sir,
Ah,
that is x minus 2, sir.
where am I? This is x minus 2. Ah, okay? X minus 2. Integration of 1 by x square plus 12x plus 12x plus 3 into dx. Sorry, what is number it is? 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2 into dx. The 23rd one, integration of 1 by square root of, again the same thing only, x square plus 2x plus 2 into dx. Okay, there are 4 questions. You can try later. You'll do the next model. Important one for 5 marks question. Same thing, completing square method only, but some different modalities. These questions you can try later because same models only. Na? Try later. This one right now is the more important to you. One small concept here. Suppose you can take here I1 equal to, suppose any one of the function, to the px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c is given. Now in this case, then how to integrate? How to integrate in this case? Okay, this is the more important. Remember that one. So now in this case, clearly, denominator is the degree of the denominator is greater than the numerator. Suppose the degree of the numerator is more than the denominator. So easily just we are finding the factors of the numerator and we are cancelling something there now. Because we are simplifying and we are doing the integration. But in this case, the degree of the numerator is less than the denominator. But in this case, clearly, but we don't have any quotient rule also in integration. So how to integrate means then we have to remember clearly that p comma q comma a comma b comma c are the some real numbers only always. P comma q comma a comma b comma c are the real numbers. So in this case, all of you should remember that one. In place of px plus q, in place of px plus q equal to, we have to substitute here now a into differentiation of second one, ax square plus bx plus c plus b. This method we have to apply. Okay. Okay, this is the one of the important formula. You should learn perfectly that. When it is the given integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So this kind of questions we are getting means clearly we have to apply this formula. Now in this formula, just we have to find the values of a and b. How to find the values of a and b means we're comparing both sides. Because suppose just we are taking the differentiation of this one we are taking. So first suppose you can take here now px plus q equal to a into the differentiation of second one equal to then what we are getting 2ax plus b1 and plus b we got now. So px plus q equal to, you can multiply this. So 2a into small a into x plus, it is the, or else anything you can take, nothing Japanese it is. The quotient you can take. Capital A into small b plus b it is. Now comparing both sides now. Comparing
So-
both sides. Yes, tell me.
So how did we get that equation? Can you explain?
This equation actually maybe just we are taking the differentiation. I mean, it's like previous we done the division. Previous we
Yes,
done
sir.
the division. Okay, we are taking the division means we will get that. That's why it is the, but in integration in differentiation also this is one of the standard formula. Understood now? So in this case, this kind of questions they're asking examination means, but this one we have to apply. Always in place of px plus q. Not only this one. Suppose you can take here now one more method we have. Integration of I to px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. In this case also, we have to take the same method. This one just remember that one. Whatever they give a numerator, that numerator must be equal to the capital A, and A comma B are the constant values here. Capital A into differentiation of denominator plus B. Here also same thing only. Differentiation of only this one only we have to take, not square root of. Let's see. Okay, but by comparing
Sir?
both sides, yes, tell me.
Sir, I got disconnected, sir. Can you explain me from the starting?
Suppose this is the integration. For this function, we have to find the integration here. Should remember that. But in this case, directly for applying the integration, it's not possible. So this kind of questions we are getting, suppose maybe first kind or second kind. This kind of question means directly can take here now px plus q is equal to a into differentiation of denominator plus b. Now in comparing both sides, first you can simplify that. Like this, first you can simplify. Then comparing both sides. The values of A, capital A, capital B we will get. The values of capital A and capital B. So the capital A and capital B, again you can substituting in the given this function now. Understood? That means we are differentiating, we got this one. In place of A and in place of B can substitute in there. That means this complete value must be equal to the Px plus Q. Px plus Q. So in place of Px plus Q, this one I can substitute in there. Then I can do the integration. Okay. The method. So we compare now both sides. So comparing x terms to both sides. The value of P equal to 2 into capital A into small a. So capital A equal to P by 2A. Like this. The same constant values you can compare that. Constant values capital A into B plus capital B is equal to small q. So capital B equal to Q minus capital A into B now. Anyhow, capital A equal to just now we got that is the P by, that means BP by 2A. BP by 2A is the value of B. Now later this value of A comma B, you can substituting in place of A and B here. And then I can do the integration. Understood now? So theoretically once you can write now, tell the right. Right now, if I1 equal to same, I1 equal to integration of Px plus Q by I1 equal to integration of Px plus Q by Ax square plus Bx plus C into dx, and I2 equal to same integration of Px plus Q by root of Ax square plus Bx plus C into dx. So that kind of functions is given. That right now methods of integral of the above form. Right now methods of integral the above form where P comma Q comma A comma B comma C or constants or real numbers. Real numbers in the sense it is the constant values only or constants.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, I still didn't understand, sir.
we don't understand. Tell me now. This formula, na?
Yes, sir. After that formula and that.
After this formula, we can take differentiation of this one equal to how much? Tell me.
So 2x
Differentiation
plus
of
b.
2ax plus b, na?
Yes, sir.
First to simplify that. Multiply and you can simplify. Later comparing both sides.
So the
The
x
value
one,
of comparing
you are
both sides.
comparing x with x.
X with the x, constant with the constant.
Okay.
Then the value of capital A and capital B we will get. The capital A and capital B later you can substituting again in place of A and B. And this function you can write in substituting in place of this. Then we done the one small example means you understand very clearly. Okay. Right now, right method you can write method. Put Px plus Q equal to this one I can write. Copy this one completely up to here you can write. Put Px plus Q equal to A into d by dx of Ax square plus Bx plus C plus B. Then you can simplify that. If what that is you can take here now equation number 1 also you can take. That is you can take here now equation number 1. No problem that. Next you can write. This is actually step 1 it is. Up to here step 1 and step 2. This is the comparing is the step 2, right? Here capital A and capital B are real numbers. Here capital A and capital B are real numbers whose values are to be found out by comparing the by comparing the like coefficients on both sides, then you can write this, the value of a comma b you can write. Okay, then that one you substitute in there and we do the integration. These questions are some little bit lengthy questions, but it's more important. And this one and that one. Definitely, if suppose once you open the any model question paper, previous question paper means from this model, so definitely we will get one problem in examination, in all the examinations. In your school, this integration chapter is over. Anyone?
No, sir.
No?
Just started, sir.
Okay. And previous, I think Likita, you told that application integrations test, term 1.
Sir, Khushi told that.
Kushi?
What's up? What's up?
Integrations over?
Integral. Yes, sir. The chapter over, sir.
Oh. That
But
means
I had doubt in this part, sir, because I didn't
yes,
listen to it.
definitely. Because it is the in I think they are taking the just roughly it is the one model. Just they are explaining the 2 to 3 questions and they are thinking they're skipping.
No, sir. The thing is, in school they're solving the whole exercise, but she rushes a lot while solving it. She's like, you go through the answer.
Oh.
Yes, so that's
Anyhow,
why.
now up to now, just you understand clearly that this also you'll get clearly, no problem, no issue at all. Understood now. So already I gave the method here. We will take one example means then I will understand very clearly that. Okay. So find the following integrals. I'll take one small example here. First one, integration of x plus 2. Okay. X plus 2 by 2x square plus 2x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx. This one we have to integrate. Now immediately just first you can see clearly that this is a compare with, already just now I gave the method here. It is in the form of C, px plus q. Here the value of p equal to 1 because the coefficient x is called p only. So px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c form is there now. So then immediately then what we have to do? Already just now I gave the formula to you. What is the formula? That same thing. Means the px plus q equal to, we have to write this. So immediately you can write. So first you can write the same formula, I can write, put px plus q must be equal to the a into differentiation of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. What is the px plus q here now? Means in the given function, whatever the given numerator value, that is compulsory px plus q. So clearly can take. So therefore, x plus 2 is equal to the value of a and b only we have to find. That is our work here. So a you can write as it is. And the differentiation of, that means d by dx of 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus the value of b also we have to find that, right, as it is. So now we can write x plus 2 equal to a into differentiation of 2x square equal to 4x plus 6 and a constant equal to 0 plus b now. Now I can simplify this value. So x plus 2 equal to 4 into a equal to 4ax plus 6a plus b. Now comparing both sides, the like terms, like coefficients. comparing both sides of the like coefficients here. The like coefficients. Compare now x terms here. What is the x term? Here the coefficient x equal to 1. The coefficient of x equal to there 4a it is. That means 1 equal to 4a. That implies the value of a equal to 1 by 4. One value we got. Next constant values, you can compare that. 6a plus b is equal to 2. Any of the value of a we got. So a into 1 by 4 plus b equal to 2. So that implies the value of b equal to second term in this number 3 times and 2 times, 3 by 2. So the 3 by 2 right this side now. So 2 minus 3 by 2. It is clearly 1 by 2. So the value of b equal to how much? 1 by 2 we got. Now the values of a comma b, if you want you can do one thing. Here you can write now this is the equation number 1 you can take here. So therefore the values of a comma b substitute in first equation. So therefore x plus 2 equal to how much? The value of a equal to, we got 1 by 4 into 4x plus 6, 4x plus 6 plus 1 by 2. If you want from this one you can take 1 by 2, 1 by 4 you can write as it is only. If you want to take 2 also you can take common. So 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 plus 1 by 2. Here 2 in this number 2 times. Clearly 1 by 2 is the constant value, take outside now. So 1 by 2 into this is 2x plus 1 is correct. 2x plus 3 na? 2x plus 3 plus 1. Oh, or else you can stop here only, but no need to get any confusion. Suppose you no need to simplify anything, means you can stop here only and this enter in place of x plus 2. This one you can substitute in there and you can solve. Understood now? You want you can no need to take this also. Nothing happen it is. You can take directly. If you want from this one you can take 2 common. 2x plus 3 we are getting. Or 4x plus 6 one you can take. Okay. And now in place of x plus 2, this one I can substitute in there now. So therefore, integration of x plus 2 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx is equal to, but x plus 2 equal, just now we got the value, that is 1 by 4 into 4x plus 6 plus 1 by 2 whole by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx. Okay, now we can write separately for this one, because a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. 1 minute, I fill the ink. It's not visible properly. This ink also over. We can write now in this ink also over it is. I'll get the ink bottle. Write separately. Once you can try now. Write separately. First term by denominator plus second term by denominator. What's you ask, sir? Right now, write separately for this. In it is the 1 by 4 is the constant value. Just we can take outside. And also one time we can write integration of 1 by 4 into the 4x plus 6 So 1 by 4 into 4x plus 6 by what denominator 2x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx one thing plus integration of 1 by 2 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx. Okay. Now we can take here 1 by 4 is the anyhow constant value, take outside. Are you copied this side now? Please respond. This side is over. The right side. So take 1 by 4 common now, 1 by 4 outside. Integration of 4x plus 6 by, so 2x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx one thing. Here also you can take 1 by 2 is the constant now. 1 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx second term. Now clearly just once observe that in the first integral, already I gave the formula to you. So what is the formula we have? Suppose integration of f dash of x by f of x into dx is equal to, we know very well that log modulus of f of x plus c. We got the formula. Previous I gave you. The same formula you can apply for the first one. But coming to the second one, already we done the previous. That method you can apply for that. So first one you can write 1 by 4 into log modulus of f of x equal to, you can write now 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by, so 2x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx. The second term is the pending, it is still. Already first term we done the integration clearly that. So now we can do the substitution here. So put 2x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to, take t. So 4x plus 6 equal to dt by dx now. So that implies the value of dx equal to dt by 4x plus, oh sorry, why I'm taking the substitution here now? Directly can take 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Yes, apply the completing square method. Divide by 2, all the values, or else you can take root 2 only, can take root 2x whole square plus 2ab. I think compared to this also you can take whole by 2, divide by 2, the best it is, plus this is the 3x plus 5 by 2 we got now. That implies x square plus 2 into x into the 3 by 2 you can take, 2 will be get cancelled, that plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 2. So from here to here clearly you can write now, this is a plus b whole square, so x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to, you can write on 9 by 4 plus 5 by 2. So from this one you can take common now, x plus 3 by 2 whole square taken minus common, this is the 9 by 4 minus 5 by 2 it is. So you can write x plus 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 2 whole square. So 9 by 4 means clearly you can take 4 is the LCM here. So 9 minus 5 equal 10 equal to the plus, correct or not? Minus 10. 9 minus 10 equal to minus 1. So minus into minus equal to, you can write now plus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2 can be written as x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square also you can write. 1 by root 2 whole square. So that entire thing you can substituting in the same, the given problem it is. Substitute in there now. If you want, this is the equation number 2 you can take, no problem that. Because find separately later you can substitute in there. So therefore, integration of, that means 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by, or just now we got x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square into dt into, sorry, dx into dx. Now you can take substitution, put x plus 3 by 2 equal to t you can take. So here dt equal to dx we got now. Dt equal to dx. That implies 1 by 2 into integration of the t square plus 1 by root 2 whole square into dt. Then what is the formula we have? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by x square plus a square. Integration of 1 by x square plus a square. So what is the formula we have? 1 by a into tan inverse of 1 by a into tan inverse of, please tell me,
X by A.
x by a. Here x equal to how much? X plus
3.
3 by 2.
Yeah.
Then a equal to, correct only. What we done? We taken minus common is 9 by 4 minus 5 by 2. Oh, correct. 4 LCM. So that is any 4 in the denominator. Denominator 4 in the. That means 4 means you can write directly by 2. Is correct? Okay. It's fine. This is the direct 1 by 2 whole square. It's fine. Here also 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into. Then you can take 1 by 2 na. Is correct? 1 by a into tan inverse of. So tan inverse of x by a. That means t by 1 by 2 here. Plus c you can take. So it is anyhow this will be cancelled. You can write clearly the tan inverse of t equal to clearly x plus 3 by 2 whole by, if you take reciprocal of 1 by 2 means 2 we got now. It is 1 by 2 plus c you can take. Tan inverse of, we are missing anything means once I can check it. Take reciprocal, it's become that 2x plus 3 plus c. So this one I can substituting in place of the second term. Anywhere we are missing the any value? We are missing any value? This one directly can substitute in there. That is the answer for that. Okay. Right on. And here all of you, and one more thing, remember that one. Once you look at the board to me, all of you listen to me first. Suppose you've taken the condition ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. Equal to 0 is there. Now we can divide by both sides by a. It will be, we are getting clearly only x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. C by a equal to 0. Okay. But suppose here equal to 0, it's not there. Equal to 0, it's not there. And that time, but directly we can't divide by a it is. Then that case, then what we have to do means and multiply and divide by a. Then only can cancel that one. Because right side 0 is there means suppose we divide by a, that one you write in the transfer this side 0 by anything, 0 and anything equal to will get 0. That's why we are taking directly this one. That's why we are taking that, because if you taken the LCM of this, a is the LCM here.
Sir, the light is reflecting, sir.
Oh no, okay, only this place only. 1 minute, because we get the clarity. Especially linear equation, quadratic expressions, polynomials is the more important condition. Suppose if you take a no, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is there. That case, suppose you can divide by a, or else then how to get this value generally? To take an x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. Why it is equal to 0 means if you take an a is the LCM. A LCM is then what you get ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 we got now directly. That means in this case, it means equal to 0 is there means directly can divide with this. But in the same case, equal to it's not there means, but all of you should remember that multiply and divide by 2. That means clearly we have to take here now a into. So multiply divided by a means then what happened if you take any a into a by a equal to 1 only. This is the a into b by a. So a into c by a. So in the same case, but this is the expression. It's not a equation it is. So it's not the equation, it's the expression means then what you have to write now? It will be correct only. So in place of 2, here we have to write this. When you are writing this one. In place of 2 also, here also you can write now the same. No need to do any changes here. Just you can write in front of this, you can write 2 here. In front of this, you can write 2 here. In front of this, you can write 2 here. Okay. In front of this, here also you can write 2 now. That's all. Everything will be same. But no need to change anything. Here also, you can write in front of this 2 is there. Now 2 you can take outside, it will become that 1 by 4. Should become that 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Same. Or else if you want, you can write separate is the 2 into 2 also you can write. So 1 by 2 will be cancelled. So 1 by 2 is the remaining here. Okay. That's all. This one, just you can substitute in the second equation. First term write as it is only. In second term, that place, write this one. Then what is the answer we got now? 1 by 4 into log modulus of 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus 1 by 2 into tan inverse of tan inverse modulus of 2x plus 3 plus c.
So,
Ah.
so in my that second term, I'm getting like t square minus 3 by root 2 whole square. So it's not the tan inverse formula.
Why tan inverse formula it is? There is a plus we got now. Plus only now, we're not getting minus.
So I'm getting minus.
It's not minus because you know here.
Yes, sir, I've missed
9
a
by
term.
4 minus
Sorry,
5 by 2
sir.
equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus
I've
into minus
missed
the plus.
5.
Yes. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
That is, you will get plus. Plus means we are getting the tan inverse. So 2 more questions you can try. That you will understand very clearly. Okay. But all of you, this is the more important. If it is a equation, then no need to take any common here. If it is the expression, compulsory we have to take a common. Okay. There are small changes you can remember. I'll give one more question to you. Then I think this only we get the first time. I'll drop here and I can write. The question number 2 na integration of 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. Integration of 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. Yes, same model, same method. Here also immediately, what is the first step to us? We have to take the formula px plus q equal to the formula we have to take. Then immediately take 5x minus 2 equal to, you can write. Start now. After this partial fractions and by parts, In indifferent integrals, only two concepts only pending. Once we done that format, then we're going to the definite integrals. There are two more models. Then we'll come in this chapter. Means most probably by this month, by 25th, we will complete. Then 10 to means 2 weeks, we'll do the application of integrations.
Sir, this question is for how many marks?
This also 5 marks only.
Sir, just 5 marks.
5 marks. No. Once you got the practice, then we will do fast that. Okay, you won't take more time. Because this is just now we
But
done
I'm
only
still
one problem.
confused with this, sir. How to do essay?
We will do one more time. One more question we will solve. Okay, we'll do one more until you got the perfection. I'll solve that. Once if you understand means, then I'll give the questions to you. Okay. So all of you look at the board. Listen to me only. Because suppose already you understand means, you can try yourself. For anyone not getting means, once look at the board. Okay. So immediately first nothing is there. First you can take the some substitution. Already I gave the formula to you. That is the put px plus q equal to a into differentiation of d by dx of denominator ax square plus bx plus c, bx plus c, bx plus c plus b, capital B. This one we have to remember. Now compare this one. See, px plus q equal, clearly they given 5x minus 2. So therefore 5x minus 2 equal to a into, write clearly, d by dx of, what about this value? Generally denominator value. So what is denominator? 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus.
Shouldn't it be 3x square plus 2x plus 1 because...
Okay, you can take all the positive one, but according to problem I am taking. Yes, you can take. Okay, not an issue. So 5x minus 2 equal to a into differentiation of constant value 0. 2x equal to 2 only. 3x square equal to 6x plus b. Now we can simplify and comparing both sides. Then the value of a and b we will get. So 5x minus 2 equal to 2 into a, 2a plus 6ax plus b it is. Now compare both sides. First you compare the like coefficients. What are the like coefficients here now? That means same terms we have to compare. When you comparing both sides, the x term and a constant value. Suppose if you take an x term here now, if you want, you can write clearly that comparing both sides. Comparing both sides of, okay, coefficients of like terms. Coefficients of like terms. Write clearly that. So x terms you can take. So 5 equal to 6a. That implies the value of a equal to 5 by 6. One value we got now. Now comparing constants. So what is the constant value? 2a plus b is the constant. So therefore here 2a plus b must be equal to the, what is the constant here now? Minus 2. So the value of b equal to minus 2 minus 2a. So minus 2 minus 2 into the value of a equal to, just now we got 5 by 6. So 2 in this number 3 times. So minus 2 minus 5 by 3. Take LCM. This is the minus 2 into 3 equal to minus 6. So minus 6 minus 5 equal to minus 11. Minus 11 by 3. So the value of b equal to minus 11 by 3. Minus 11 by 3. Okay. So up to here, just by doing the, after applying this formula, comparing both sides, the values of a and b. Now up to here, clear now? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is it. Now you can take here. This is the equation number 1 you can take. Okay, equation number 1. Now the values of a comma b, you can substituting in equation number 1. So substitute a comma b in first equation. Now you can write now. So therefore 5x minus 2 is equal to, so the value of a equal to, we got the value 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 into 2x plus, okay, sorry, 2 plus 6x plus the value of b equal to, we got minus 11 by 3. So minus 11 by 3. Now this one you can substituting in the given integration. Okay. So therefore integration of 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus x 3x square into dx is equal to Now just now we got the value 5x minus 2 equal to, we got this. You can substitute here now, the complete thing. So 5 by 6 into 2 plus 6x minus 11 by 3 whole by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx.
So we have to substitute the second equation, whatever we got, we have to substitute to that question, sir.
Yes, this one 5x minus 2 is there now. This 5x minus 2. That means in place of 5x minus 2, this value you can write in the given function. Okay, I wrote here. So now 5x minus 2 equal to 5 by 6 into 2 plus 6x minus 11 by 3. So now I wrote as it is, whole by this. Now we can apply this condition. We know very well that suppose if taken a plus b by c, a plus b by c can be written as a by c plus b by c only. Is correct? In the same way, this entire thing is the one single term. This is the second term it is. It's like a minus b by this entire thing you can take n of c. So a minus b by c equal to, write separately again. So integration of a by c minus b by c. So 5 by 6 into 2 plus 6x whole by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx, one thing, minus. And second term, integration of 11 by, this is the minus is there actually. That's why I'm taking the minus one. 11 by 3 whole by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. Now clear up to this step? Understand? Up to this step, please respond. Up to this step, if you understand means, then we'll go to the next step.
What is that a plus b by c, sir?
Yeah, no, this is just I gave the only, then how to split this. I gave the idea. Understood?
Okay,
Now?
sir.
Suppose if then a plus b by c is there means, but this can be written as a by c plus b by c.
Yes, sir.
The same way I done this one. It's like, a minus b by, whole thing is c now. Now to write a by c minus b by c. I wrote as it is. Okay.
Okay,
Now
sir.
we can take, from the first term, what is the constant value here? 5 by 6 is the constant. So this is, you can take outside, integration of. So 2 plus 6x whole by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. Clear? Minus. Here also, what is the constant value? 11 by 3 is the constant. Take outside. So 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. It's fine now? Now you can see the
constant value should be outside, sir.
Oh, yes, yes, on constant always. Obviously, we know that one. Suppose if you take an integration of a into x, that means what you can take, a is the constant, means you can, this one you can write as a into integration of x one. Understood? No? The same here also same thing. The constant value just you can take outside, the remaining you can write. Now, always this kind of questions, the first term definitely 100% we will get that formula. What is that? Integration of f dash of x by f of x. Observe that. This is the f of x. The differentiation of this value equal to how much? 1 is the constant. 2x means 2 only. And 3x square means 6x. We got clearly that? Means what you are saying that one? F dash of x by f of x. If you want, you can write the formula here. Integration of f dash of x by f of x into dx is equal to, always we know the formula, log modulus of f of x plus c. Log modulus of f of x plus c. So in place of this, you can write directly this one. Okay. So first term we can write now. The 5 by 6 into the center thing you can write log modulus of f of x. So 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3 into constant. Compulsory for second term we have to apply the second completing square method, 3x square into dx. Now we can take here now. Let first this equation, first find separate this value. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square is equal to, you can write clearly 1 plus The 2x is there. Okay. If you take in the 3x square also, you can write clearly, or also this one you can change this value. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here 3 is there now. If you take in 3 common, multiply and divide by 3. So 3 into x square plus 2 by 3 into x plus 1 by 3. Apply complete square. 3 into x square a square plus 2ab. 2 into x we got, all 2x we got, 1 by 3, still 1 by 3 is the pending. So b must be compulsory 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square. Why you taken these two terms here means, but actually 1 by 3 whole square in this term it's not there. That's why you are taking immediately minus 1 by 3 whole square also. So whatever still remain constant value, 1 by 3 is the remaining. So you can write 3 into, so from here to here, what about this formula? A plus b whole square. A equal to x and b equal to 1 by 3. So x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square equal, you can write 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3. So 3 into, this is you can write x plus 1 by 3 whole square. If you take in minus common outside, it clearly is become that 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 now. So 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus, we take a 9 LCM. So 1 minus 3. So minus 2 by 3 means we will get now plus 2 by 3. Plus 2 by 3. So this can be written as 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square, x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus this one you can write now square root of 2 by 3. Square root of 2 by 3 whole square also you can write. Square root of 2 by 3. Okay. Now copy this one. Then we'll continue.
So always at the last step we need to solve it with the square root method.
Yes, same thing only. But this one you can substituting in place of where it is. Where the second here. Here you can substitute in there. Already we done the previous method. Then it takes substitution. X plus 1 by 3 equal to t, you can take dt equal to dx we are getting. Dt equal to dx. Then you can write x square plus a square formula. Integration of 1 by x square plus a square. We know very well that 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. You can apply.
So what's the final answer, sir?
How much you got? Tell me. Already first term
Not
we
sure,
got.
sir.
Already first term we got 5 by 6 into log modulus of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. And second term again minus 11 by 3 is there now. Maybe here we'll get something. 1 by a means 1 by root 2 by root 3. But take reciprocal means 11 root 3 by 2 root 3 or 3 root 2. Second term. Correct. Into tan inverse of x by a. X by a equal to how much? Where is the value of a? Root 2 by root 3 wale na? Root 2 by root 3 is the value of a. First copy this one. I will write the answer also here. I will complete and I will write that. This middle part is over. Middle part. Rest part. Middle part is over here. If you done this, I will drop here now and under the next step here, the continuation. Yes. That is, you will substitute in there now. So 5 by 6 into log modulus of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3 into minus 11 by 3 into integration of that you can write 1 by 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus is the root 2 by root 3 whole square into dx. 3 right side outside now. The 5 by 6 into log modulus of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9 integration of this is you can take here now 1 by t square plus the root 2 by root 3 whole square into dt now. So 5 by 6 into log modulus of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 9 into 1 by a means clearly you can write now this is the 1 by the root 2 by root 3 into tan inverse of x by a. In here x equal to we got now x plus 1 by 3 whole by root 2 by root 3 plus c. Now take reciprocals. Take here now reciprocal. So 5 by 6 into log modulus of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus this is 11 root 3 by 9 root 2 into the tan inverse of we take a reciprocal, then what we are getting is the root 3x or else you can write now root 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole by root 2 plus c. Just you can simplify this value. Simplify that. The final answer you will get. And if you want, you can do the rationalization also. You can do. You can rationalize that. Okay, root 3 by root 3 we are taking means 11 into root 3 by 9 root 3. 3 in this number 3 times. That also you can take. Minus 11 by 3 root 2 into root 3 you can take outside.
So this question will come in CBSE, sir.
We don't know. Maybe modus will be important. Okay.
It should not come.
Sir, even I am not getting, sir. I was fully confused after.
It's okay. You
After
do one
the
thing.
first part, sir. After like comparison
Sir, okay,
and
you do one
finding
thing now. You do one thing. Up to here, clear now.
Sir, no, sir. For me it's clear. Only till substitution of A in one, sir. Till there it is clear. After that I zoned out, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, we will continue tomorrow also. No problem there. Just you can do it's the same question. Otherwise, at least this step after finding the values of A and B up to substituting here. Clear this?
Yes, sir. Till there clear, sir. After that,
this one.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, then what about this value? The value of 5x minus 2 only, no? Is correct? This is the value of 5x minus 2 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in this question, because we require the integration of this one required now. In the integration of this one required.
Can you explain once again tomorrow, sir?
Yes, I will teach you. I will teach you. Okay, until you got the perfection, we will do. Okay. So all the students, suppose you told that, sir, okay, I got, means then we are going to the next concept. Okay. So we are not leaving. We got this value. Then in place of 5x minus 2, this one you can substitute in there now. This entire value you can write here. See now, I wrote very clearly. Yes. Then a minus b by c we got. A by b minus b by c. I wrote separately. 5 by 6 is the constant value. So what about remaining? 2 plus 6x by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. And this the first term complete term is, it is in the form of integration of f dash of x by f of x. But this formula we know very well. It is equal to log modulus of f of x. The f of x equal to how much? 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. I substitute the same thing there only. But this is, you can apply the same. Previous already we done this method. The same thing, you can apply the completive square method. You do one thing now. Up to here you can copy. Then this step we will do one more time. Okay. This continuation step we'll do tomorrow also. Okay. Because it is almost the maximum students not there. I think maybe some network issue. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. We'll do 2 more questions. We'll solve. Understand clearly.
Sir, tomorrow test first 2 exercises, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, tomorrow test is first 2 exercise.
First 2 exercises.
Okay, sir.
So up to 8 o'clock, 8-5 examination. The rest of time we will do the same model.
Okay.
This question we will do. Okay.
Okay.